Octosuite is the world's first complete management and mass automation and engagement tool that will send your fan pages and groups viral and removing the need for ever having to post and update again. It allows you to replace the need for a social media manager by having all of your fan pages, groups and external social networks posting the most viral trending content daily for you instantly, sending your organic reach through the roof, your posts viral, automating the work that normally would take hours to do, and most importantly grow your audience and bank account right away. Bottom line? This is exactly how to monetize FB. To the tune of 6 figures per month from a single fan page. With 100% free traffic that converts directly into sales. Visitors without sales don't do much but pad your ego. This system pads your wallet as well. Make sure to check out the first upgrade so you can syndicate all your posts across external networks as well. To truly explode your reach, send your organic reach through the roof with viral posts. This FB-approved, automated software taps into the users of the world's hottest social network. Octosuite works even when your computer is turned off. The world's only tool that has proven 100% guaranteed results. Octosuite 100% set and forget, never need to worry about posting content again. Cloud-based software, any PC or Mac. Research, upload, edit, monetize, post, schedule in seconds. 0 monthly fees, launch week only. Who is Octosuite for? Of course, social media marketer. People who want to save time and energy sharing content. Any marketer who want more free traffic from Facebook. Those who want to grow your fan page consistency. Affiliate marketer, e-com seller, product launcher, email list builder, etc. SEO marketer who understand the power of syndication. Octosuite features. Search any fan pages, analytics instantly, bonus, launch week only. Octosuite allows you to break down any fan page including your competitors. Simply enter the page URL, hit search and instantly see where any fan page's audiences are from, so you can better market to your audience. FB invite all tool, bonus, launch week only. Running FB ads. Did you know, if they like your ad they may not have liked your fan page? Well, their invite all bonus exclusively for launch week allows you to one-click invite everyone to like your fan page, growing your audience instantly. 24/7 support and training, bonus, launch week only. Support is just as important as the quality of a product, so for any issues, questions or queries, they have support team on standby for you, along with their full training series and VIP group. Launch week bonus. Make 5 to 6 figures a month with a single fan page instantly. Octosuite enables you to have your fan pages become money-making machines by having the right content be sent into your target market's feed for free, driving them to any site to make sales instantly. Create 6 to 7 figure fan pages right away. This software is the market leader in finding the content your audience wants to see and engage with, making FB show your content to more users the more it is engaged with. Automate the most important yet manual processes that will ensure your message and brand is seen by millions. Find the right content in milliseconds in any niche. Octosuite is the only tool in the world that will let you search multiple social networks at once in any niche, filter the content from most liked, most recent, trending, even location-based trending content, allowing you to one-click post and schedule. Facebook page finder. Enter your niche, be presented with every fan page related to your niche, and instantly view their content from most viral, most liked, most recent, etc. and even video, image or linked content to find the most proven content, allowing you to edit the content text with your call to action, ready to be posted, not shared to your fan pages or groups. See what's trending right now in the world on Twitter. Twitter trends give you real-time geolocated trending hashtags which allows you to find content users in your location are talking about right now, meaning when you post about it through Octosuite your engagements are higher, meaning more traffic to your page and target sites. YouTube trends and search. YouTube is the world's second biggest search engine with over 3 billion searches per month. This software allows you to find content either in your niche directly or see what is trending in any location in the world, allowing you to then post this content to your fan pages and groups with one click. Royalty-free image search. For launch week only members, we have integrated with Pixabay, allowing you to search for royalty-free images in your niche. Simply enter a keyword, choose your image and either download or hit post. It's that simple. Post and schedule updates on a mass scale. Octosuite allows you to not only post but schedule for months to come to your fan pages and groups instantly. No more having to remind yourself when it's prime time to post. Post your content to multiple fan pages at once. Have more than one fan page you want to post to and want to send viral? Simply select them all in the drop-down and send that content to all of your chosen fan pages. It's that simple. Bulk schedule functionality. Have your content be scheduled to all of your fan pages and FB groups so you don't ever need to do an update again. World's first all-in-one FB group finder, joiner, poster and mass scheduler. FB groups are without a doubt one of the best ways to drive free traffic of highly targeted users. Octosuite will find the most viral groups in your niche, mass join them for you, and allow you to post them all instantly. World's first fan page bulk scheduler and drip feed functionality. Launch week bonus only. For launch week only, you get the fan page drip feed and bulk scheduler add-on, which is no doubt the most powerful functionality, ensuring your or your client's fan pages never miss out on an update again. Track scheduled posts directly in Facebook. Octosuite schedules the posts directly into Facebook for you, so you can close it and know your updates are scheduled and loaded directly into FB, meaning FB is posting them for you, not a third-party app where you can then edit, if needed at a later date. Upload your own content to bulk post to multiple locations at once. Simply drag and drop your content, select your pages or groups and hit post, and watch the traffic start rolling in.